So now I'm going to show you how to use Instagram on your desktop. Instagram want you to use your phone. They like you using the phone app, full stop. And there's nowhere on the desktop to add a new image or a new post. So what we do is we right click anywhere and click inspect. And don't worry about all the code that comes up. Go here to toggle device toolbar, click it once and it will come up as if it looks like a mobile phone, but there's still nowhere to add a new picture. So what we do is we hit refresh and then the plus button comes up. So now we can click that. We can click on a picture, click open, and the picture will appear. I'm not going to do it right now because I don't want to add any photos right this minute, but that's how you do it. Now then you've got to remember to put everything back to normal, otherwise you'll have all your screen peculiar. So go here and toggle back to your desktop view and refresh. Close the console and everything is restored as normal. Hope that helps. Talk to you soon.